video, it's just 1 minute long, you're gonna see a guy riding in a taxi through New York City. And you're gonna see it with two different musical backgrounds. And I want you to notice how different it looks based on the background of music, which is really the background that we have playing in our lives all the time. So here we go. Okay, so now you're going to see the same scene, different music. Did you notice a difference? Didn't everything change when the music inside changed? That's our lives. When we start feeling, when we raise our happiness set point, the world may or may not change, but our perception of it completely changes. And for those of you who are wondering if this is selfish, I have to say that I believe it is the least selfish thing that we can possibly do. Because when we're happier, we affect our families, we affect our workplaces, we affect everybody around us. Ultimately, I think we impact the world. So I leave you today, tomorrow I've got some more happiness habits, but I leave you today with a Chinese proverb that sums up really why I care so passionately about this, and it goes like this. Oops, just neat, there we go. It says, when there is light in the soul, there will be beauty in the person. When there is beauty in the person, there will be harmony in the house. When there is harmony in the house, there will be order in the nation. And when there is order in the nation, there will be peace in this world.